describe dog bath time at my house before this shower set, and I want you to really picture this. I'm in the bathroom with a large dog who's decided that today is not the day. He's not aggressive about it, he's just deeply philosophically opposed to what is happening. I have a cup, and I have a regular shower head pointed at an angle that helps nobody. There's water on the ceiling somehow, and I don't know how that happened. The dog is wet in exactly all the wrong places and completely dry in the places that actually need rinsing, and I am soaked. The bathroom looks like a car wash had a breakdown inside it. And when it's all over, I need a shower myself. Well, that was my life. And then I found this pet shower set, and I want to talk about it because it's one of those purchases that is so simple and yet so useful that you genuinely cannot believe you waited this long. It connects right to your existing shower arm. No special plumbing, no tools you do not already own, no contractor. I'm a 58-year-old grandma. If I can put this thing on, so can you. The whole setup took me about 5 minutes, and that includes the time you spent reading the instructions twice. The hose is 8.2 feet long, which sounds like a lot until you're trying to rinse the underside of a large dog, and suddenly every inch of that hose is earning its keep. You can get the water exactly where you need it without contorting yourself into positions your chiropractor would not approve of. The flow control valve is the part that I really like and want to highlight. Being able to dial in the water flow up or down while you are actively bathing a pet is a game changer. You're not fighting full blast pressure when you're trying to do something gentle around the face, and you're not dealing with a trickle when you actually need to rinse through thick fur. For Bailey, my mixed breed dog who tolerates baths but makes it known he's tolerating them, this setup has made a world of difference. Bottom line, if dog bath time at your house is currently more trauma than routine, this is a 5-minute fix that costs very little and pays off immediately. Thanks for watching.